Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to customize your website design in Wix. Personalizing your website design is crucial for creating a unique and engaging user experience. So let's get started. First up, we need to log in with your Wix account and then open your website in Wix Studio. So if you have the website yet, so you just have to edit it so you can see. Now let's begin by changing the background of your website. So if you're going to click on the image right here, the background image or video, as you can see, you can just click on the open inspector and you will find here an options where you can customize your background color, or you can basically change the media or the image or the video. So you can change the background color, or if you're going to click on change media here, it will directly go to media from Wix. You can find or replace with a free media, or you can upload media from your computer. So select your preferred background and adjust its settings to fit your design. Next, let's customize now the header. So as you can see, the header and footer of your website, so you can click on the header section, and on the right side you can basically find some options to change the background color, or maybe the logo. You can customize the logo, and also you can adjust the size and position of the elements. So you can repeat the process, same for the footer. And also typography plays a key role in your website design. So if you want to add some text here, you just have to click on the plus icon at the top left and basically go to text, and here you will find some of the options. So you can basically select any of the text design that you want to add to your website, and you can access also the site design menu to set global font styles for your entire site. Just need to drag and drop to add this text to your website. Now another way to customize your design, you can add a section. As you can see, you can add some design or the divider to basically make a way to organize your content and create visually appealing layouts. Now another way here is by adding a buttons. So buttons are essential for navigation and call to action elements. Just have to click on the plus icon and go to buttons, and here you have a bunch of options here. Just drag and drop the button that you would like to add, and then once you drag onto your page, you can actually customize it by changing the text, color, and link. So you can also adjust the button size, shape, and hover effects. And you can also enhance your website with media elements like images, videos, and galleries. So you can go to quick add section, and here you can basically drag and select image or video and choose a media element. Drag into your page and customize it using the settings menu. For galleries, you can select gallery. Here you can choose a style and add your images. You can customize the layout, transitions, and display settings to fit your design. Now it's important to ensure your website looks great on mobile devices. You can switch to the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon in the top toolbar, and you can adjust the layout and design of elements to ensure seamless user experience on mobile. Wix Mobile Editor allows you to customize the mobile view without affecting the desktop version. Now before publishing your site, it's important to preview your design. Click on the preview button at the top right corner to see how your website looks and functions. And if everything looks good, click on the publish button at the top right hand corner to make your changes live, and your customized website is now ready for your visitors. And that's it. You've learned how to customize your website design in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.